Are you tired of not being able to see out of your window clearly due to hazy, foggy buildup? There are a few different ways to solve this problem. The first is to become blind to the issue and learn to live with it, but who really wants to do that? The most inexpensive yet temporary solution would be to drill some tiny holes into the windows to release the condensation and treat them with a fog-resistant solution. A lot of variables go into this temporary fix, such as it needs to be a warm, dry day, and the first sight of rain or humidity can reverse the outcome. Then you might have to pay someone a second time to come out and treat the windows again, and so on and so forth. Next, you could update the entire window, frame, glass, and all. We call these retrofit windows. Some newer glass and frames can be more energy efficient, but you can lose air due to air penetration since these windows aren't flanged into your exterior framing. Not to mention, this is usually an expensive investment into your home. The best solution is to just replace the glass unit. Crazy to us since we work in the glass industry, but to a lot of our clients, they'll say, "You can do that? You can just replace the glass?" When we answer yes, they're amazed. Replacing the glass is the most cost-effective and permanent solution. Not only does this make your home look more beautiful, but it will lower your energy bill at the same time. Two birds, one stone. If you want to learn more about replacing your old field windows, you can find more information on our website at www.ames.glass/foggedwindows. Or you can book a time for someone on our team to come out and give you a free estimate to solve the problem for you.